Hey everybody, Hackberry Homestead. It's been a long time since we've had a video. We've had some pretty crazy weather up here, and we finally got some good, decent, hot weather. And finally, after a year, we've got some different rabbits, and she just had babies either late last night or early today. Um, First time mom, and she has done very well so far. I have not even uncovered them, so I don't even know how many kits are in there. I just gave her some grapes over here. She's been eating and drinking very well. We've been in the 90s today, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the box out a little bit, and hopefully mom is fine with that. We're just going to uncover the nesting material that mom's provided, just so that we can kind of get a count of how many kits we have. And I'm not going to handle them a whole lot. Like I said, they are either 1 to 1.5 days old, and we'll see what we got here. So this is Marley, and she is going right on top of her box. This was, scoot you here, bud. Come on. So mom did all of this, and you can see them, the hair moving, and that's the little kits down inside there. She did all this within about 2 days, and today I went to check them out and thought it was the wind blowing some of the hair, and realized that nope, we've definitely got movement in there. So let's just move some of this out of the way, and this is keeping them. Oh, I'm starting to see some. Oh wow, we've got a bunch in here. Okay, so it looks like, oh, we've got some back there too. Good Lord. Bear with me. So we have 1, we have 2. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's okay, Mom. So we have 1, 2, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And is that 1 here? No. Let's see. They are moving around a lot. I don't know that I'm going to get an accurate count here today yet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have 10. All right, it's probably not a great video. Like I said, I'm not going to uncover them a whole lot, like being day 1. So I just wanted to check and see if we could get a number. What did I say, 10?
10.
10 of them. That's very good. All right, Mommy, let's review that. So we have 10 kids, first time mom, and she is doing fantastic taking care of these babies. We're giving her plenty of water. We've got 2 jugs over here. I know a lot of people complain about wire bottom cages. I'm not a super fan of them. I'm going to make some different upgrades here soon, and obviously within the next week I have a much larger cage. It's probably about 6 feet long that I'm going to probably move this entire section over to, because as they get older, in the next couple weeks, they're going to be much more active and wanting to get in and out of things. So with that being said, I have sister over here, and we'll see how things go. We started with two of the Californians, and the female, after a year, we tried breeding her several times, never did work. And then she passed away, and I got these other two, and we have been super fortunate that we were able to get our first litter out of them here. So once we get them up and moving and let mom do her thing, we're gonna do a better video and let you see what they're doing as they get older and how they progress. So check back in with us. We'll put another video up there. Hit the like and subscribe.